how to remove camera audio from Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device. As you launch the Instagram application, what you can simply do is make sure that you are logged into your account. So after logging into your account, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the reel section and select any of the reel over here. So I'm going to select a reel very randomly, and if you want to just remove the camera audio from Instagram Reels, what you can simply do is swipe the options at the bottom of the screen and then tap on this icon. So as you tap on it, you can see the option of clip audio. So this is actually the camera audio. So you can just toggle it to 0 and then tap on done. And there you go. You have removed camera audio from Instagram Reels, and now you can use your own audio over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.